Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets more interactive, maybe to quickly see totals for specific categories like you're spending on food or transportation, then this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to sum up values based on what you select from a drop-down list in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a super handy summary that updates automatically as you change your selection. Let's jump right in. So let's say you already have your data set up in Google Sheets. For this example, imagine you're tracking expenses. In one column, you've got different categories like food, transportation, entertainment, utilities, health, shopping, miscellaneous. You get the idea. Next to those, you have the actual amounts you've spent in each category. This gives your sheet structure one column for categories, one for numbers. Now here's the magic. What we want is a single cell that will show the total for just the category you're interested in without scrolling or filtering. To make this work, we'll need somewhere to select which category we want to sum. That's where a drop-down list comes in. If you haven't already, you can create a drop-down list by selecting a cell, say B13, then going to Data and then Data Validation. From there, set it up so you can choose any of your categories from a drop-down menu. This step is important because this is the cell that will control which category you're currently adding up. Now let's put the formula in place. Click into the cell where you want the sum to appear. Here's the formula you'll enter: equals SUMIF B2 B10 B13 D2 D10. Let's break that down a bit. B2 to B10 should be the range where your categories live. B13 is the cell with your drop-down, the one you'll use to pick a category. And D2 to D10 is where your amounts are. It tells Google Sheets, hey, look for all the rows in the category column that match what I've picked in my drop-down, then add up the corresponding values in my amounts column. Go ahead and press enter. You might notice the value updates right away to match whatever is selected in your drop-down. Try changing the drop-down to a different category and see how the sum automatically recalculates. So if you choose food, it'll add up only the food totals. Switch to entertainment and you'll see just what you've spent there, and so on. This part is pretty cool because it gives you real-time insights into your spending or whatever data you're tracking. It's like having a personal dashboard that responds instantly, saving you the trouble of endless sorting or manual calculation. And if you've got more categories or a bigger range, just adjust the formula's ranges accordingly. Don't worry if your ranges are different or if you get an error on the first try. Check that your formula matches your actual cell locations and that your amounts are really numbers, not text. These little hiccups happen to everyone. And there you have it. You've set up a dynamic summary using a drop-down in Google Sheets, making it easier to analyze your data with just a simple click. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Got questions or ran into any trouble, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm here to help. And if you want more step-by-step tech tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.